Chat, is this how you learn to dance? As you know, as a terminal white person, I can't dance. Is this how I learn how to dance, chat? YouTube, remember to like, comment, and subscribe and all that fucking cringe stuff. Remember to do that, please and thank you. We're going into part 2 immediately after the first one, because the first one was so fucking good. So fucking good.
She dances in this, she said like she dances to his.
She's fucking mortified. The poor girl, she's mortified. Look at her face. Oh, you're so sweet. No, it's okay. It's alright, Shomi. I hope you're doing well, and I hope you're having a good time. The animation's so good, too. Oh no, she's crying. Chat, is this how you learn to dance? As you know, as a terminal white person, I can't dance. Is this how I learn how to dance, chat? Oh no, no, she's doing it too. So, just the facial expressions are so fucking good, bro. They're so good. Oh no, it's a dance song. Oh no. Bro. Okay, chat, who you choosing? Who you fucking choosing, huh? Who's winning? Who's winning this dance off right now? Oh. Damn. Huh? Oh, he's faithful to his homie. But this is true fucking bromance right here. He's faithful to his fucking homie. No Hutsy's gonna fucking steal them. No Hutsy's gonna fucking steal them. It's literally begun thought. That is literally what this is. It's the begun thought meme in animation form. Let's go. Holy shit, again, that was so good. It was so good, bro. Oh, this is so... I want them to do more. I'm pretty sure that's probably the last one, but I want them to do more, please. It's so good.